Welcome into Garnet and Gold Grub, presented by TECO People's Gas. I'm Catherine Phillips, alongside award-winning chef Travis Johnson. He's the Executive Culinary Director of Seminole Dining here on the campus of Florida State, and he's going to walk us through a delicious game day recipe today. Chef, what you got?
We have a great dish. This is inspired from New Orleans. So it's a bacon wrapped shrimp and grits.
Okay.
So it's combining shrimp, grits, two of my favorite things, and bacon, of course.
And everything's better with bacon on it.
Yeah, and it's great because it's an appetizer. You can prepare this ahead of time. You can take it out to the tailgate, throw it on the grill. You can heat it up on the skillet like we're going to today. Bake them in the oven. There's a lot of cool things you can do with it, but it's a lot of fun. So should we get started?
Yeah.
All right, so the ingredients today we're working with are Gulf shrimp, right out of the Gulf of Mexico, local sourcing, a blend of spices, some chili powder, some garlic, some onion, paprika, and you're gonna give it some depth and flavor.
Okay.
We're also working with a applewood smoked bacon, and then the aromatics to finish it off, some parsley and some fresh chopped chives.
Sounds great.
Great. The grits. Now, grits are very important. There's a lot of great local grits. There's a local grit that we work with from Bradley's that we really love, but it's all about stone ground grits. The instant grits, no.
Okay.
Stone ground grits, yes.
So go to Bradley's and get your grits.
Yes. And some of the differences, the stone ground grits are going to take a little bit more time to cook.
Okay.
You need to commit some time, 25, 30 minutes for the good stone ground grits, but they are worth it in the end.
Okay.
So we started out and we did 3 cups of water, 1 cup of heavy cream, our grits, we brought them to a boil, and then we dropped them down to a simmer. We incorporated some butter, some cheddar cheese, and then we took and spread the grits out onto a baking sheet pan, which gave us the consistency of the grit cake you see in front today.
Gotcha.
We take that, put it in the cooler. It takes about an hour or so in the refrigerator, and then it's ready to go.
Okay.
I'm gonna start out with bacon. So we cut the bacon to about 3.5, 4 inches in length. We start with our shrimp. We're gonna lay the shrimp at the end of the bacon. And then we take a small cutter, or you can take any round cutter you may have, and pop the grits out. Now, these grits are gonna fit right inside of the shrimp. See how that wraps around in there?
Yep.
And now we wanna roll it. You wanna roll it nice and tight. See how that's, okay, we'll set that aside. Let's roll a couple more. And we'll be cooking on cast iron today with natural gas.
Why do we want to use the natural gas?
Well, the natural gas is a big benefit because we can get heat very quickly, and we want to definitely sear this bacon and cook the shrimp, but we can really control the heat that we're working with. And for a chef, that's really important when we're making sauces or doing appetizers such as this. I love the sound of that sizzle. It means something good's real close by. I'm gonna lightly dust these with our seasoning blend. And these are gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Let's check back in on the bacon wrapped shrimp and grits. Wow, that looks good. I'm gonna turn the heat down. See how the bacon crisped up and the shrimp cooked? Let's take these over. And let's finish these up. We're gonna take some microgreens and we'll place these on. And then to top them off, we're gonna add some fresh aromatics. We have some green onion and fresh parsley.
Okay.
Top those off. And I like a little spice, so we're gonna add pepper jelly. And you can use a Thai chili sauce. They make a ton of different types of pepper jelly. And just a little bit on top.
This looks like it would be perfect to serve at any kind of party or event.
This is great because you can prepare them ahead of time. You saw how easy they were to make.
Yeah.
And you can have them done, ready to go. You can show up, throw them on the grill, and it could be the hit of the party.
Perfect.
You want to taste?
Yes, I do. For full details on this recipe and more information on how you can incorporate natural gas at home, at your business, or at your next tailgating event, go to peoplesgas.com/cooking.